Hello students, welcome to Auja classes Smartness in Education. Here we are going to solve some problems based upon the second order differential equations with variable coefficients in which one part of complementary function or one part of solution is known to us. Let us solve the problems. Let us see the first problem, which says solve x times d2u d2y by dx2 minus 2x minus 1 dy by dx plus x minus 1 y is equals to 0. When it is given that y equals to e to the power x is an integral part of complementary function. So, in the solution, first of all, we need to convert the given differential equation into standard form. So, here given differential equation is x times d2y by dx2 minus 2x minus 1 dy by dx plus x minus 1 y is equals to 0. So to convert into standard form, we need to divide this equation by x. So dividing the above equation by x. So we get d2y by dx2 minus 2x minus 1 upon x dy by dx plus x minus 1 upon x y is equals to 0. Let us mention that this is the first equation. Now, since it is given to us that y equals to e to the power x is an integral part of complementary function, so we will take it as u. So, first let us assume the complete solution of first is y is equals to u into v, where u is known to us, where u is equals to e to the power x. Let us give it as equation number second. So we will again follow the methodology which we have learned in the previous session. So we will obtain dy by dx as u dv by dx plus v times du by dx, and we will get d2y by dx2 as u d2v by dx2 plus 2 times du by dx dv by dx plus v into d2u by dx2, substituting the values of y dy by dx and d2y by dx2 into first, substituting the values of y dy by dx and d2y by dx2 into first we will get the reduced form of the equation first as d2v by dx2 plus p 2 upon u du by dx into dv by dx equals to r upon u, where from comparison with the standard form we can write from first value of p is minus time 2x minus 1 upon x, q is x minus 1 upon x, and r is 0. Here the value of r is given as 0 to us. So here from let us mention that this is equation number third. Now substituting the values of p, q, r and u into third, we will get d2v by dx2 plus minus 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 upon e to the power x into d by dx of e to the power x into dv by dx equals to r upon u. That means 0 upon e to the power x. So as a result we get d2v by dx2 plus minus 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 upon e to the power x multiplied with e to the power x into dv by dx equals to 0. So here we get d2v by dx2 plus minus 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 dv by dx equals to 0. So here on solving we get minus 2x minus 1 plus 2x upon x multiplied with dv by dx equals to 0. So here we get d2v by dx2 plus, and this is minus 1 upon x dv by dx equals to 0. So here let assume that dv by dx equals to z. So we get d2v by dz to dx2 as dz by dx, and hence from above equation we get dz by dx minus 1 upon x dv by dx. In place of dv by dx we have z, so we get equals to 0. So this is the main expression, dz by dx equals to z by x. Sorry, this was minus 2x plus 1. When we open the bracket, then we get plus 1 over here. So this is will be plus. So the sign will become here minus. So here, separating the variable, we can solve this differential equation 1 upon z dz equals to minus 1 upon x dx. So integrating both the sides, we get log z equals to minus log of x plus log of c. So here we get log of z plus log of x equals to log of c. So since this is the value of log z, actually we have to find the value of v. So we need to separate this z. So let us obtain the value from the previous step itself, that log z equals to log of c by x, and hence we get z equals to c by x, and z is equals to dv by dx, and this is c by x. So we get dv equals to c by x dx. Now integrating both the sides, we get v equals to c log x plus c1. That is the next variable. So this is the value of v, and the value of u was already given to us, that was e to the power x. So from equation number second, we can obtain the required solution. So we can write complete solution of differential equation is y is equals to e to the power x into c log x plus c1. This is the required answer. Now let us take one more problem based upon the same concept. Here the problem says we have to solve x square d2y by dx2 minus 2x 1 plus x dy by dx plus 2 times 1 plus x y is equals to x to the power 3. So first converting into standard form, we have to divide it by x square, dividing by x square. So we get d2y by dx2 minus 2 by x 1 plus x dy by dx plus 2 times 1 plus x upon x square y is equals to x. So comparing with standard form, this is our equation number first. Now comparing with standard form, we get ps minus 2 by x, 1 plus x, and qs 2 times 1 plus x upon x square. So here, by checking the condition, we can find one part of the complementary function. It is very important to identify that there is no one part of solution is given to us here, but from the problem itself we have to find it. So we can easily apply the condition p plus qx equals to 0 over here. Let us check the condition. Let us find p plus qx. So here we have, here we will find p plus qx, that means minus 2 by x, 1 plus x plus 2, 1 plus x upon x square multiplied by x. So we get the same expression with positive and negative sign. So result will be 0. So the condition obtained is p plus qx is equals to 0. So on the basis of this, y equals to x is a part of complementary function. Now so it will become u for us, u equals to x. So let the complete solution of differential equation first is given by y is equals to u into v. Now proceeding in the same manner as we had learned in the methodology concept. So here we will obtain dy by dx as u dv by dx plus v du by dx, and we get d2y by dx2 equals to u times d2v by dx2 plus 2 times du by dx dv by dx plus v times d2u by dx2. Now substituting the values of y, dy by dx and d2y by dx2 into first, we obtain the standard form. Now substituting the values of y, dy by dx and d2y by dx2 into first, we get d2v by dx2 plus p plus 2 by u du by dx into du by into dv by dx equals to r by u. So from above we have the values of p, q and r. Here r is x. So let us put these values into this form. So by substituting the values, we have in place of p as minus 2 times minus 2 by x 1 plus x plus 2. In place of u we have x, and next that is du by dx. That means here dv by dx equals to x by x, since the value of r is x and u is also x. So here we get d2v by dx2 plus minus 2 by x 1 plus x plus 2 by x into 1 into du by dx equals to 1. So here we will get d2v by dx2 minus 2 upon x minus 2 upon x into x plus, let us apply the bracket first, dv by dx equals to 1. So here these two terms will be cancelled out because of the opposite signs. So here we will get d2v by dx2 minus 2 times dv by dx equals to 1. Now let dv by dx equals to z. So we get d2v by dx2 equals to dz by dx, and hence from our equation we can get dz by dx minus 2z equals to 1. So now by separating the variables we can obtain the solution of this differential equation. This will become 1 plus 2z. So or we can, this is the, or in other words we can say that this can be solved by linear form of differential equation. So let us solve it by linear form of differential equation. In this equation is in z. So here we need to find the integral factor for this, that will be e to the power minus 2 dx. So it becomes e to the power minus 2x, and solution of the above differential equation will be z into integrating factor equals to e to the power equals to integrating factor into 1 dx plus c. So we get z e to the power minus 2x equals to integration of e to the power minus 2x dx plus c. So we get z e to the power minus 2x equals to minus 1 by 2. Here the integration of e to the power minus 2x will be minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus 2x plus c. And if I shift this e to the power minus 2x to the right hand side, so we get minus 1 by 2 plus c to the power plus 2x. Since in the left hand side the power is negative, so it will become positive in the right hand side. So this is the value of z, but we have to find the value of v. So we have to write dv by dx over here, and hence we get c to the power 2x. Now again integrating, we get v equals to minus 1 by 2x plus c e to the power 2x upon 2 plus c1. So this is the value of v. So complete solution of the given differential equation is y is equals to u into v, where y is x and the value of v is minus 1 by 2x plus c e to the power 2x by 2 plus c1. So this is the complete solution of the given differential equation, and that is our required answer. Now in the next lecture we will learn about the method of solving the differential equations of second order with variable coefficients which cannot be reduced to the constant coefficients. Thank you. For more educational videos, like, share and subscribe to Ahuja classes on YouTube. Thank you.